Surprise symphony. Okay, so there's a couple of stories that go behind this. Back in the day when this was written, they didn't have electricity. They didn't have a whole lot to do. They didn't have computers. They didn't have screen time. They didn't have any of those things. So they went to plays. They went to concerts. They went to their friend's house and actually hung out with each other. And so this was kind of a joke piece that he decided to write, and there are quite a few joke pieces out there. Look them up; they're interesting. The typewriter. I don't know how much of a joke that one is, but the typewriter by Gershwin's a lot of fun. It's very cute. The whole idea is that it's supposed to be played very much like a lullaby, either a lullaby or something to really sneak people in. And so we start playing it very gently. Bum, 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 bum. And then we get even quieter. We're going to lead up and get quieter and quieter. And that means people are either leaning in to hear it or they're lulling off to sleep because it's been a long day at work. They don't work. And they're slowing, and then all of a sudden we hit it really, really big, and it's bomb, and it's really loud, and we wake everybody up, or everybody's leaned in, and we just scare them with that big noise. And so that's what we usually want to go for this piece. So I would change this. We would start off probably mezzo forte at the first line. Get a little bit quieter for the third measure. Second line, we definitely get down to piano and a little bit quieter at that the sixth measure in, and then that last measure of the second line, that G, I would hit that fortissimo. G, G, G. Usually it's a just one long big note after that, and then after it's very, very smooth. So we're starting with these staccatos. Bum, 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 bum. And so I'm doing this because that's what we want our notes to do. We want it to ring like a bell. We're not grit, 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 grit. Nice and easy. So we're still in C major. Nice and gentle. We have a lift right there. So that's not going to be a really super long one, then a low two. That high two, because we have that B natural. We're going to lift again, so that's not going to be too long of a G. We get even quieter there. Then we have that C natural and an F sharp, and then hit this one. I would say fortissimo, let it go, roar. And then we have nice and smooth after that. We want some change here, and short, short, smooth. And then back to our staccato. But everything is still nice and gentle. We can crescendo right here. Definitely do a fourth finger right there, and we have a quick lift. Gentle, gentle, gentle. So that's what we're looking for. Nice and gentle for all of these. Let's just start at 70, and you can work with the metronome on your own of what feels comfortable. Bum, bum, bum. So let's do like a mezzo forte, and we'll just continue to get quieter and luring those people in. 1, 2, ready, go. Lift. A little quieter. Low 2, high 2, hit it hard for the G. Gentle low 2. Right off to let it keep singing. Yeah, have fun with the long notes. Bum, 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 bum. Don't try to make your bow too much. And And that's too much bow. Very gentle. Get those fourth fingers working. All right. Happy practice. Practice makes awesome.